Now that we have an understanding on how each of these factors can shift demand, we are actually going to demonstrate exactly what these shifts mean. So an increase in demand is actually represented by a rightward shift in the demand curve. We'll label this new curve D2. So what exactly does this D2 curve mean? And what exactly does it mean in relation to the D1 curve? So at any possible point, P1, we want a certain degree of a certain amount of product, Q1. And when we increase our demand, we want more product at every possible price point. So we'll label this new point Q2. So we know that when our demand increases, that means that we want more quantity. But it also does affect our price as well. So you notice that at our previous quantity 1 point, it is actually right here in terms of the price point, which shows that our price point also increased. So when our demand increases, that shows that our price also increases and our quantity increases. So to simplify this, think about this in the terms of the diamond market. If more people would like diamonds, that means that more people are willing to pay higher prices for the diamonds, and more people just want diamonds, which means that our quantity increases as well. So now that we've talked about an increase in demand and rightward shifts, we're actually going to talk about a decrease in demand. So a decrease in demand is represented by a leftward shift in the demand curve. So as originally said, that at any given possible point, any given possible price point, people demand a certain amount of quantity. So notice that at our new D curve, D2, that at the original price point, people are actually demanding less quantity. So we know that the quantity decreases once demand also decreases. But what about the price point as well? If you notice that at the original quantity point, our price level has actually decreased as well. So what does this mean in terms of the diamond market? So if people want less diamonds, if the demand of diamonds has gone down for any of these reasons, then that means people just want less diamonds, which means that they're not willing to pay as high prices for these diamonds, nor are they buying as many diamonds, which is represented by these shifts. So a demand curve represents a shift in the price and quantity, either a rightward shift, which is an increase in quantity and price, or a leftward shift, which is a decrease in price and quantity.